Call Andre, season 2. Hello.
Hey.
How you doing, my friend?
What's going on?
How's it going? Good to see you.
I know you're a handy man, so I just want to see.
I know.
What
The
hand-
fireplace I did though.
Okay, we're gonna check it out.
That moment when we got the key, we called Andre right away. We're like yelling our hearts out. Hey brother, we got the key, we got the key.
We got the key. We got the key. I got the key. I got the key.
Andre made our dreams possible. There's a lot of meanings of greatness. Andre is one of them. You know, he can make things happen like magic. You know, so we're thankful that he's there. Truly a blessing that what we have now compared to what we had before. We try to, you know, entertain the kids. You know, play as much as they can. They have a lot more room to run around, jump around, and explore kind of thing. Instead of having one floor, they have 3 floors to explore, play hide and seek and stuff. This year, they've been learning a lot to skate. I like to get them practice on skating and stuff. So since we have the space now, I built myself a skating rink for them to keep them, you know, busy.
Here comes a family skating down the ice. They're down one broker left to go. The handoff to Andre. He shoots. He scores!
Build a skating rink there and playground as well, a jungle gym. Yeah.
My favorite part is the backyard because we have a park that we can play on.
When the bank says no way, call Andre.